closer you get to your blessing, the more the attacks of the enemy will intensify. Did y'all hear what I just said? Some of you are there right now. The reason why all hell is breaking loose, and it looks like attacks are coming from the left and from the right, is because you're closer now to your breakthrough and your blessing than you've ever been. The closer you get, the more the attacks intensify. Y'all hear what I'm saying? Yeah. The closer you get, the more the enemy is going to do what? Attack you. Why would he be wasting time on you if he didn't know that you were this close to your blessing? Now see, when the enemy was messing with me maybe like once a month, I knew I was close, man of God, but not that close. But when he started messing with me every day, when I know that there's other people he can mess with, because I'm not present. When he starts launching a personal attack against me and messing with me every day, it's because he wants to discourage me. He wants to discourage you. He wants you to turn away before you get to your blessing. He wants your blessing to be right here and you get so close that you let the attacks that he's launched against you make you do this and say, forget it. It ain't working. Yeah. And you're on the border of a blessing. You're on the border of a breakthrough. That's the only reason why the devil is messing with you like he's messing with you, because he knows now that you're closer than you've ever been to getting everything that you want from God. Yeah. What am I trying to say to you? That whatever it is you're going through, it is well.